Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix a Steam error E502 L3 on Windows PC. If you are also facing such type of error code on your Windows PC regarding a Steam app, then here are the process. First, launch your Chrome browser or any other preferred browser and check your Steam server status. This is the first and initial workaround to check server status globally. Type steamstat.us in the Chrome browser search field and you will find unofficial Steam status open. Here you can see country wise Steam server status. This is the first. If you find a Steam is down against in your country, then wait for some times till server is on. The second workaround to fix this issue is run network troubleshooters. Go to settings, right click on the start button and choose settings. From the left side, go to system. From the right side, look for troubleshoot. Click on troubleshoot. Choose other troubleshooters and run network and internet troubleshooter. There may be a possibility of your network issues may cause of such type of a Steam error. So run network and internet troubleshooter and follow on screen instruction to complete the troubleshooting. The next workaround to fix this issue is restart Steam client services. Go to run dialog box by pressing Win plus R shortcut key or right click on the start button, choose run and here type services.msc. This command will open services windows in your system. Services windows will now open and here look for Steam client services. Scroll down and right click on your Steam client services and choose restart. If you found it a stop mode, then first start it, otherwise restart it. Thereafter apply a double click on it to open its properties and go to a startup type and choose automatic. And finally click on apply and OK to save the changes and check whether your Steam error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Clear your Steam download caches and browser caches. To do so, launch a Steam app in your system. Here from the top left corner, click on Steam and here click on settings. Here from the left side menu under Steam settings, click on download. Thereafter go to right side and here you will find clear download caches. Click on clear cache option and clear download cache. This will clear your local download caches and restart Steam. You will need to log into Steam again. Do you wish to continue? Choose confirm and you must choose restart your Steam app and fresh login. The one more caches is clear browser caches also. From the left side menu on the Steam settings page, go to in-game, click on in-game settings and here scroll down and you will find the option delete web browser data. Click on delete. Delete all Steam browser cached files, cookies and history. Click on confirm. It will clear your all Steam related browser caches. After that, check whether your Steam error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Open control panel in your system. Here control panel will open. Here go to Windows Defender Firewall. Click on it. From the left side, click on allow an app or features through Windows Defender Firewall. Click on it. A new page will open. Allow apps to communicate with Windows Defender Firewall. Here look for a Steam app and make sure that both the under public and private network duly checked. If you found not checked under public and private network, make the check against both the option public and private network for a Steam as well as a Steam web helper. This will allow a Steam app to communicate with Windows Defender firewall and check whether your Steam error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Uninstall Steam app and reinstall afresh. Go to control panel again and here look for program and features option. Click on it. Here look for a Steam app. Select it and click on select Steam and click on uninstall and install a fresh Steam gaming app version in your Windows 11 and 10 system. That's all.